Hi everyone, welcome to Healing Souls. So, dear friends, let us again try to check some energy vibrations for the upcoming week 7 to 10 days. Actually, I was trying to do it a day before yesterday, but the cards just turned out to be in such a way that I didn't want it to be a prediction for everybody's week 10 days. So, that was a specific message made for somebody who was suffering. Now we are on 19th and I'm going to take this reading until the end of the year 2024. Let's take it from 1920th and the last 10 days moving until the 31st. Let's see what's the main energy vibrations for all of us. Whoa, love it. Now this is what I'm going to take. We have the 10 of Pentacles as the main energy vibrations of the upcoming 7 to 10 days, which means absolute abundance. As you can see, number 10 over here, and we have 10 pentacles that are denoting a lot of money. A lot of money. First of all, opportunities of money manifestations, growth are going to be there. Secondly, we see the families coming together. That is absolutely, everybody coming together for their Christmas and New Year celebrations. So this is a very, very festive time. We have the couples, we have the older people, we have the children, we have the dogs, we have a happy home. So first of all, lot of abundance, abundant mindset, manifestation time, the real time when the year 2024 is going to give you your final gifts are going to be here. You're going to hear good news during this time frame. Good news of somebody's marriage being fixed, good news about childbirth, good news about heredity money, good news about business upgrade, work upgrade, promotions, a lot of money, I believe, and prosperity. That's what I'm seeing. That's the overall energy of the week. Happiness, joy, happiness, joy. We have a dark woman over here. Dear friends, many a times I see this dark woman as Goddess Kali. So I would bring in the energy of Goddess Kali, and I'd let you know that I think the last 10 days of the year 2024, Goddess Kali is going to bless us with her energy. There's going to be a lot of protection. She's going to ward off all of the negative energies, malicious eyes. I have also made many healings with Goddess Kali. You can take them. We have dealing or relationship with a woman with dark complexion or hair. So you're going to come in contact with a woman. Literally also there's going to be a woman with whom you're going to have a contact. This woman is going to be slightly darker than you in complexion, or maybe her hair color is very dark. She colors her hair very dark black, dark brown, or maybe she has darker hair than you. So this woman is going to be like Goddess Kali for you. Most probably she's going to be an embodiment of Goddess Kali. She's going to be protective for you, or most probably in any which way there's going to be a dealing. But I feel that a dealing with this woman is going to be good for you. Somehow this woman can bring you offers of prosperity, offers of love, joy, celebrations. Some kind of such interaction with her is going to be in the last upcoming 10 days for you. That's the overall energy. Now let's move and see. Let's see what's your energy vibrations. Let's just keep Goddess Kali, giving her energy vibrations over here. Okay, let's keep her here in the reading. Don't want to make it very elongated, dear friends. Let's move on and check your own energy vibrations for the last days of year 2024. Let's pick this card. Whoa, I love it. We have the star. So you are the star in the last days. You come into limelight, and you're going to be feeling very whole, very healed. You're going to be like an innocent child. And yes, with the star card and Goddess Kali, there is so much protection. So you're like a little child, little innocent child, and Goddess Kali is by your side protecting you. So this period of upcoming last 10 days is going to be very healing for you. If you or any of your family member was suffering in their health, You're going to heal totally, and you're going to be like a healer for anybody to everybody around. So these stars on the card over here, these stars, you know, they are reminding me of your chakras. So your chakras have gained a renewed energy with the 1212 portal activation, the star seed activation energy. And this renewed energy, the moment you listen to this reading, you're going to start to sense it in your body. You are going to be extremely beautiful in the upcoming 7 to 10 days. Limelight is going to be on you. You are going to be like a bright, hopeful light for everybody, anybody to everybody around. You're going to be there like an inspiration. Many people are going to aspire to be like you. You're going to be a very motivational character. All I can say about you is that, you know, everybody is going to be wishing to have an aura like you. Going to go with the flow of things. We see the energy of the water and the flowing water, that is, you know, beautiful emotions. We see the energies of these stars, and we see the woman who is nude, which tells me that, you know, there is nothing that you have to hide. You're completely your authentic self in this week, and you're ready to show the world the real you. This is a beautiful energy with which you're going to enter the new year 2025. Absolutely love it for you. All right, let's pull some more cards to see your energy. Whoa, we have the haystack karma. You will reap what you have sown. Exactly. In this time frame of the last 10 days of the, you know, year 2024, you will be amazed. You're going to feel that, you know, how come, you know, everything is like a wish fulfillment for you. How come things are aligning for you so beautifully. And here the universe is telling you that you guys have done real good karma, and this is a time for you to reap the rewards of your karma. So beautiful rewards of your karma are going to come for you. Love it, love it, love it. Let's go further, dear friends. So far so good. Let's see what's there in your environment, my dearest beautiful friends of love and light. Let us choose a card and see what is there in your environment. Whoa, we have the 10 of Swords in reverse, and I absolutely love this card. So there is an end of a painful cycle in your environment. End of the pain. If somebody was literally suffering in their pain, in their physical body, emotional, mental body, that chapter, that painful chapter is going to end with the help of Goddess Kali. Again, I would remind you, dear friends, that I have made many healings. There is a whole healing playlist with the goddess energy, wherein maximum healings are with the energy of Goddess Kali. Goddess Kali has always stepped in my healings to help us release all the negativity, malicious eyes, jealousy, curses from your life. And exactly she stepped in the closure of the year, moving into the year 2025. There's a huge protection. So all of the situations where you were backstabbed by people, places, situations, betrayals, those situations, now the pains are going to be released from your body. So that kind of a situation is happening. Tables are going to turn around, and if you were suffering, anybody was suffering in physical, emotional, mental, body pain, the pains are going to be released. So like a massive period of recovery, I would say. So in your environment, there is end of a very painful cycle for you. Yes, let's see what is there. We have a handshake. A meeting with a stranger could be important. So that woman, the one we saw with dark hair, most probably that woman could be significant. She could be a stranger in somebody's life, but however, in your environment there is a person, and this person could be a stranger, and this person is going to take away something that was karmic in your life. There could be opportunities, as I'm telling you, that are going to enter your life. There's a new energy with this person entering your life. Let's see a bit more cards for more clarity. What is there? So we have strangers also, get-togethers. Then we have Jug card, which says light-hearted, carefree time. So this is all festivity. This is all, you know, celebrations and light-hearted energies with friends and family members. Let's see one energy over here. We have love. So yes, in your environment, all of the painful cycle where there was no love is going to end. So people are coming towards you with the handshake. This is the energy of new people entering your life, your soul tribe, loving souls, having light-hearted energy. So absolutely love it for you, dear friends. Let's move forward. Let's see final card of guidance for us. What guidance do the universe wants to give to us for the last days of the 2024? What are the final guidance messages? Whoa, we have the Three of Cups, we have the Star card. Okay, so the final guidance, very clear, absolutely clear, is celebrate your success, celebrate your innocence, celebrate your loved ones, celebrate your soul tribe, celebrate the people who celebrate you. Come together. So exactly, they are saying that come together with your friends and family members. This is a time to intermingle with communities, with your loved ones, with people who vibe as your tribe, and don't, you know, shy away. Show your real self to them, your community, your people. This is a time of celebrations, dear friends. Do not hide for this time. Come out of your hermiting mode now. Any opportunity of get-togethers, coming together with friends and family members, take up the opportunities. And here we see them, you know, cheering together with the Jug card. You know, I wouldn't say that, you know, hard drinks, I would say green teas, juices, and, you know, healthy drinks. You guys come together, drink together. And I see a lot of, you know, water energy. So this is an emotional fulfillment. So this is a period of an emotional fulfillment, and the universe wants you to enter the year 2025 with the energy of love and emotional fulfillment. Let me pull just one more card from here. Yes, even during this time frame when you're going to come together with these people, they say someone will try to make you do something against your will. You have to be careful because you're going to be intermingling with a lot many people. But I feel over here again, Goddess Kali is going to step in to protect you. One more card I'm going to be very careful, because this is a guidance that the universe is saying that someone will enter your life and they will ask you to do something against your will. Again, we have the very beautiful card saying karma, you will reap the rewards of what you have sown. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful energies. Just want to pull one last card from here and close this. We have the last card as the World card, which is congratulations, congratulating us to move to the next chapter of our life, which is the year 2025. And the universe angelic team is congratulating us on all of it that we have achieved in the year 2024. Big claps for all of us, big applause for all of us moving forward. What does the universe want from us? They want our muddled, unclear thinking to be cleared. And last but not the least, again, we have the Dog card, which says pleasure with close friends. Enjoy with close friends. Lots of love and best wishes, dear friends. I would be connecting back with you guys, you know, posting the readings for the year 2025 in extreme details, and for the month of January very soon. Till then, sending you lots of love, happy celebrations, Merry Christmas, and a very happy New Year is waiting for you. Enjoy yourself. Thank you very much, dear friends.